Hey everyone, thanks for checking out today's video. If you're a regular on our channel, you probably aren't used to hearing my voice, but we thought we would change it up on this one. Our videos are mainly to give customers an opportunity to hear a vehicle run that they may be interested in. But a lot of viewers are enthusiasts, just wanting to check out some cool rides. We're always looking to improve our videos, so thought we would try out dropping the royalty-free music and share some facts instead. Let us know in the comments what style you prefer. Today we are looking at a very cool classic 1931 Ford Model A Victoria. Let's see how it sounds. By this time in history, Henry Ford had perfected his assembly line with the Model T, which is often given credit for being the first affordable vehicle option for most families. He followed it up with the Model A, which was equally successful. 2 million of them had already been sold between late 1927 and July 1929. This Victoria is a very nicely restored vehicle, and as you just saw, the 201 inline four-cylinder has that classic early Ford sound. It was rebuilt less than 500 miles ago and runs great. The car has been kept very stock and is all original steel. You can read more about it on our website or in the description below. We hope you enjoyed checking it out, and give us some feedback down in the comments.